After learning various type of basic functions, now we will see the formulae used in derivatives. So very first formula over here is d dx of any constant is 0. Next formula, d dx of x is 1. Third formula, which is for algebraic expression, d dx of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Now it's not that always we will have one variable, say x, but we may have n number of variables in our equation. So suppose say we have two variables u and v along with x. So when we take d dx of u plus or minus v, we get du by dx, that means the first term is differentiated with respect to x. So du by dx plus minus dv by dx, that is second term is differentiated. The fifth formula is any constant is multiplied to any variable, which could be x, which could be u, which could be v. So d dx of constant into that variable, for that we will take constant out and du by dx. Now the sixth and seventh formulae are important one, which are also called as product formula and quotient formula. So this is called as product rule, and this seventh formula it's called as quotient rule. Now let's see what is that rule exactly. So if we have product of two variables, so d dx of u into v, in order to solve such a question, what we have to do is first keep the first variable as it is, that is u, and take the derivative of second variable. So u dv by dx plus keep the second variable as it is and take the derivative of first variable. So whole formula becomes u dv by dx plus v du by dx, which is a product rule. The seventh and last formula for derivative is a quotient rule, in which we may have one term in the numerator and one term in the denominator. So for such an expression we can say that d dx of u by v is calculated as second variable into the derivative of first, which is v du by dx, minus u into dv by dx, that is first variable into derivative of second, divided by v square, that is numerator square. And you already know c is constant, x is u and y, x, y and u, v are variables here. You can have any variable in this case. Now we will see some numerical based on product rule. So we will apply u into v rule. Consider the first example, y is equal to x square into log x. So here this is our u and this is our v, right? So applying the uv rule, that is d dx of u into v is equal to du by dx into v plus dv by dx into u. So what we will do is first take the derivative of first term, which is x square. So you know this is algebraic expression, we can say it as 2x, that is keeping the degree down, x raised to 2 minus 1, which is 2x, into second term as it is, which is log x, plus taking the derivative of second term, which is log x, which is 1 upon x, into keeping the first term as it is. So solve this. This is 2x into log x, plus this will get cancelled, so we get x square upon x as x. So final answer is x plus 2x log x.